And welcome back, subscribe, like the video. Now I know what you're wondering, why am I wearing this krama? Well, I don't really want to reveal my face to all of you. I'm not Muslim, I believe in God and stuff. So yeah, parents are gone, so today we're gonna make bread in the microwave. Here we go, guys. Now, I know what you're wondering, why am I making bread? Well yeah, I don't have any bread. And I'm pretty sure we're not going to the dollar store anytime soon. So, I'm gonna make bread so I can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yeah, I'm poor. Here we go. And yes, I have flour. I don't really have any milk. I do have eggs though, so that's good. But yeah, here we go. Well, guys, I sadly couldn't find any flour. So, we are gonna use some yellow cake mix. Hooray! Yay! Anyways, so I'm gonna put I'm wearing gloves because I don't like getting my hands dirty. Anyways, here we go, guys. I don't have milk, so don't criticize me. Hopefully, nobody walks through that door, so I won't get my butt whooped if I do something. Yeah, I'm fine. They won't know. They never make bread. I will be fine. I'm not gonna get my butt whooped. Oh, they're gonna walk through that door saying, "Donovan, what are you doing?" Like that. I'm weak. Problem solved. Don't want to try. Ugh. That's I sadly don't have any more Ziploc bags left. So, yeah, gonna try to. And I'll figure it out later. That's what I always do. It'll be fine. I'll just tape it up or something. It smells like cake. I'm gonna wipe this up because I don't want anybody coming in here and seeing this. Have to worry about the mess. Now, anyways, I saw in those Italian videos how they had the eggs, right? Then we make a little mountain, right? And then like that. And then put the egg. Don't break the yolk. Don't break the yolk. Don't break the yolk. La 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 la. This is disgusting. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Put that in. Yeah, that looks good. No, Jebediah, no. No, get back. No, Jebediah. No. That is disgusting. Hold on. Jebediah! No! Little boy, come here. No. Stop it. Stop. Fine. Jeez. Chill out. Stop doing that. In case you're wondering what he did, he tried to get into the dishes and stuff. That's why. Sorry, I don't abuse him. Okay, I don't want PETA after me. Okay, but yeah. And then I don't have any milk, so we're gonna use water. So far, so good. Looks good, don't it? Yeah. And then we're gonna mix it up. So okay guys, hold on a minute. Hello guys, I am back. Yes, I can see. But now yeah. So while I was back, I taped up the box of cake mix. And yeah, here we go. We're gonna mixy now. So we're gonna mixy. This is disgusting. But I want peanut butter and jelly sandwich, guys. We're doing all this work for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ew. Ugh. Good thing I'm wearing gloves. I don't understand how Lionfield and them do it. This is disgusting. What am I doing? Nah, this is fine. Third. But then whisk it up. I shouldn't have added water. It's a little bit too wet, I think. But in the end, that is definitely... Take this off. Ew. But in the end, this is definitely better. Hopefully, I guess. But we're gonna add some flour to it though, cause that looks disgusting. I'm gonna open this little bag of cake mix. Gonna shove it in there. Oh no. I'm gonna have to sweep that up later. I hate myself. Anyways, here we go. So we're gonna use this. God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for God. Thank you for day. Thank you for rain. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. This batter looks disgusting. This looks disgusting. Ew. Oh! I'm joking. Oh, it kind of looks like cake batter now. Let's go. I'm gonna taste it later. I don't have a rolling pin, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But that's about it. That's cake batter. We're gonna put it in a thing now. Ew. Well, guys, I have finally made bread. And I have myself. You wanna know why? Because I made bread. Yay! And no, I'm not suicidal. Please don't report me. But yeah. Look at this. I don't know why it's stuck to the pan. But gotta take it off though. Oh. We're gonna use this knife. Yeah. This butter knife. Yeah. Where's the plate? Oh, why? Well, how do I not have any milk? That's a basic requirement. This looks disgusting. It looks like SpongeBob shit. It looks disgusting. Ow, it's hot. Let me get another. This is our bread, guys. Let me taste it. That ain't half bad. But now we're gonna cut it into. Now we're gonna make peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we're gonna cut it like so. We're gonna taste it now with peanut butter, then jelly. That's pretty good, bro. Yeah. Let's go. That's pretty good. Anyways, bye guys. Please subscribe and like the video. Bye.